Critical thinking skills, speaking about the big picture. Pictures are a great way to get your students to speak. They provide a lot of information, and each student will participate at their own level. First of all, show your students a picture related to a topic they have learned about or are going to learn about. Give them 30 seconds to write any information they see on the picture. For example, in this case, they are in the garden, or it's a party. After 30 seconds, hide the picture. In pairs, ask them to look at each other's information. Tell them they get 1 point for every piece of information that's true, and 3 points if the information is true and the other student hasn't written it. Then, ask them to count up their points. They cannot read each other's sentences. They must say them. Otherwise, no points. Now that the students understand the activity, tell them you will give them 1 minute to look at the picture again. After 1 minute, hide the picture and ask them to compare their information again, counting up the points. Finally, you can do it as a whole class activity. In this case, they still get 1 point for each true sentence and 3 points if no one in the class said the sentence. In this activity, each student focuses on the information they can say in English. Thus, each student participates at their own level. Since they have to say the sentence in order to get a point, they speak to a friend rather than the whole class, which is comfortable. As they understand the activity, they try to remember more specific information, developing their memory and concentration skills. It's interesting when student sentences are based on their opinions. This can create a good discussion and get students interested in the picture and the topic. This activity with pictures will develop your students' ability to notice details as they try to remember more specific information. Eventually, students will move to sentences that are their opinions about the picture. Both noticing and giving opinions are two very important critical thinking skills.